Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here how to turn your part file into a multi-view. So if you go up here, you're going to open up a drawing file. Okay, and now typically if I have my files open, it's going to actually go to my base view. But over here, you'd click base, all right, and then right now mine shows up where it is. But if you wanted to, you could click here, and that would basically be the browser to kind of find your file. Okay, I'm going to change my scale to 2:1 just so it fits in a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to move this window out of the way so I can kind of see what I'm doing. All right, and basically here, just kind of drag it up. I just want it out of the way of this. All right, so I just actually drag up. I make my top view. I can come over here, make my isometric, make my base view over here, and you can see that they all line up already. All right, so I hit click OK. All right, now I do want to make my isometric one shaded, so I'm just going to hit Edit View and click Shaded over here, and that's going to actually shade that one for me. Okay, so now once I have that, I can actually go in and dimension the pieces, all right, to see how I made this piece. So this piece I just actually made with making a square, and then I just jetted out with that little cube over there. So, keeping in mind that everything is 0.75, so I go to Annotate tab, all right, then I go to Dimension, and here I'm just going to drag out my dimension there, which is 1.5. Over here it's 1.5, so that would give me enough information to make that square. All right, and then I just have to dimension this one cube here. So I give it a width there, all right, and I give it a height here, okay? So everything I could actually fit on that one dimension. Now all your other ones, if it gets a little crowded in here, you don't have to, all right? And then the last thing I want to do is I want to go into my title block and actually edit the information. So over here at ANSI Large in our properties, we would actually double click, expand that, and then make sure you're not on the dimension tool and double click that. It kind of takes you into the information, and right here I basically have my computer, so I can't change anything up here because it's sheet number and all that stuff, but at author I could actually just change that. I go into iProperties, summary, and I could change the orange puzzle cube, all right, and subject DDP, all right, I'm Mr. Coyle. All right, Mr. Boyle or Mr. Coyle is going to be the next one, and then I have Brooklyn Technical, all right, high school, all right, would be the rest. Okay, and all that information is going to show up on my title block in here. Okay, so you can see that. All right, and that's really all I need for that piece, so you can continue and basically make your other 5 pieces. Okay.